Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful and time-tested natural remedies out there, the combination of castor oil and baking soda. This simple, yet highly effective blend has been used for generations to tackle a variety of health issues, from persistent skin problems to joint pain and even digestive discomfort. But why has this remedy stood the test of time, and what makes it so potent? Today, we'll dive into the science behind these two everyday ingredients and break down how they work together to create a powerhouse remedy. Whether you're looking to improve your skin health, ease inflammation, or address long-standing health concerns, castor oil and baking soda could be the natural solution you've been searching for. We'll take a closer look at castor oil, which is derived from the seeds of the castor plant and is packed with ricinoleic acid, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and antimicrobial properties. Castor oil has been trusted for centuries to treat a range of ailments, including everything from skin irritations to digestive issues. Its ability to penetrate deep into tissues makes it an incredibly versatile healing agent. Then there's baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. This common household item is not only great for cleaning, it's also a powerful health remedy. Baking soda neutralizes acids, reduces inflammation, and works wonders on skin irritations and even fungal infections. Its gentle exfoliating properties also make it a great companion to castor oil in skincare treatments. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a dynamic duo that enhances each other's benefits, providing a comprehensive approach to healing. Whether you're new to natural remedies or looking to expand your toolkit, this is one remedy you don't want to miss. So stick around as we break down the unique benefits of castor oil and baking soda, show you how to use them safely and effectively, and share a few key tips on when you might want to avoid this powerful combination. Let's dive in and discover how this natural remedy can bring a little more wellness into your life. Number 1. The power of castor oil and baking soda, a dynamic duo for healing. The combination of castor oil and baking soda has long been used as a potent natural remedy to address a wide variety of health issues. Castor oil, derived from the castor plant seeds, is rich in ricinoleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. It has been used for centuries to treat ailments such as skin problems, digestive discomfort, and joint pain. Castor oil is unique due to its ability to penetrate deep into tissues, which allows it to promote healing in a way many other natural remedies cannot. Baking soda, on the other hand, is a staple in many homes and is well known for its ability to neutralize acids, reduce inflammation, and act as a gentle exfoliant. It's frequently used in skincare routines to help with conditions like acne, as well as in oral hygiene products to whiten teeth and promote healthy gums. When used together, castor oil and baking soda form a dynamic duo that can treat everything from skin irritations to digestive discomfort. The combination of castor oil's deep penetrating healing abilities and baking soda's neutralizing and exfoliating properties makes this remedy a natural powerhouse. When used appropriately, these two simple ingredients can help alleviate numerous health concerns, making them a go-to solution for individuals seeking an alternative to conventional medications. However, like any remedy, it's important to understand how and when to use them to maximize their benefits. Number 2. Skin health, a natural treatment for scars, stretch marks, and more. One of the most significant benefits of the castor oil and baking soda combination is its ability to improve skin health. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which help moisturize the skin, boost collagen production, and promote elasticity. This makes it an ideal remedy for treating dry skin, scars, stretch marks, and even minor cuts. The addition of baking soda enhances the skin's ability to regenerate by acting as a mild exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells and encourages the formation of new skin cells, promoting a smoother and more even skin tone. Together, these two ingredients can gradually reduce the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration over time, leaving the skin healthier and more vibrant. In many cases, scars and stretch marks form when the skin's collagen structure is damaged. Castor oil has the unique ability to stimulate collagen production, which helps restore the skin's elasticity and structure. Over time, Consistent use of this mixture can result in visibly improved skin texture and a reduction in scars and stretch marks, making it an excellent option for those seeking a natural alternative to chemical treatments. To use this remedy, simply mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, apply it to the affected area, and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. For best results, this process should be repeated daily. Number 3. Joint and muscle pain relief, a natural alternative to painkillers. Joint and muscle pain are common complaints, especially as people age or engage in strenuous physical activity. Many individuals turn to over-the-counter painkillers to alleviate discomfort, but these medications can come with side effects when used regularly. Fortunately, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a natural alternative to relieve joint and muscle pain without the associated risks of medications. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and inflammation in joints and muscles. Its analgesic qualities can soothe pain and promote healing in areas affected by conditions like arthritis or muscle fatigue. Baking soda further enhances the effectiveness of this remedy by increasing blood flow to the affected areas, improving circulation, and allowing the castor oil to penetrate deeper into the tissues. This remedy is particularly useful for individuals suffering from arthritis, a condition that causes inflammation and pain in the joints. By regularly applying this mixture to painful areas, many users report reduced swelling, increased mobility, and less reliance on medications. Castor oil acts as a natural lubricant for the joints, which helps ease stiffness, while baking soda helps relax tense muscles by boosting circulation. To use this mixture for joint and muscle pain relief, combine equal parts castor oil and baking soda, massage the mixture into the painful area, and cover it with a warm cloth for about 30 minutes. This allows for deep absorption of the ingredients, providing natural relief and promoting healing over time. Number 4. Boosting circulation and lymphatic drainage for detoxification. An often overlooked benefit of castor oil and baking soda is their ability to support the lymphatic system and improve circulation. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by removing toxins, waste, and excess fluids. When the lymphatic system is sluggish, it can lead to a buildup of toxins, causing fatigue, inflammation, and other health issues. Castor oil helps stimulate the flow of lymph fluid, aiding the body in eliminating waste more efficiently. Baking soda complements this by maintaining the body's pH balance and reducing inflammation, creating an optimal environment for the detoxification process. This combination can have noticeable effects on overall health, particularly for individuals dealing with chronic fatigue, inflammation, or poor circulation. Regularly applying castor oil and baking soda to areas where lymph nodes are concentrated, such as the neck, underarms, and groin, can help stimulate lymphatic drainage, reduce swelling, and promote better circulation. This can improve energy levels and overall vitality by supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. To use this remedy, massage a mixture of castor oil and baking soda into the skin over lymph nodes. For example, apply the mixture to areas like the underarms, neck, or groin, and gently massage for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Doing this regularly can help support the body's detox processes and improve circulation, leading to better overall health. Number 5. Tackling fungal infections with antimicrobial power. Fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, nail fungus, and skin fungi, can be difficult to eliminate and often require persistent treatment. Fortunately, both castor oil and baking soda possess potent antimicrobial properties that make them effective against a variety of fungal infections. Castor oil works by breaking down the protective layers of fungi, while baking soda helps create an environment that inhibits fungal growth. Together, they form a powerful solution that not only helps treat fungal infections, but also prevents their recurrence. This remedy is particularly useful for individuals who are looking for a natural alternative to antifungal creams and medications, which can sometimes cause irritation or unwanted side effects. To tackle fungal infections, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda. Apply the mixture to the affected area, and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this treatment twice daily until the infection subsides. This natural remedy is gentle on the skin and provides effective relief without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial antifungal products. Number 6. Alleviating digestive discomfort and bloating. Digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation are common complaints, especially as people age. Castor oil has long been known for its ability to stimulate digestion and relieve constipation by promoting bowel movements. When combined with baking soda, which helps neutralize stomach acid and reduce bloating, this mixture offers a comprehensive solution to digestive discomfort. Castor oil works as a natural laxative, stimulating the movement of the intestines and promoting healthier digestion. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps soothe the stomach by neutralizing excess acid, making it an effective remedy for heartburn, indigestion, and bloating. Together, they provide gentle yet effective relief for digestive issues without the need for harsh, over-the-counter medications. To alleviate digestive discomfort, you can take a few drops of castor oil internally, but only after consulting a healthcare provider. Alternatively, you can apply the mixture topically by massaging it onto the abdomen, covering the area with a warm cloth, and letting it sit for about 30 minutes. This topical application helps ease bloating and discomfort, making it an ideal remedy for those who prefer not to ingest castor oil directly. Regular use of this remedy may even promote healthier bowel movements and improve digestion over time, providing a natural way to maintain digestive health. Number 7. Combating acne and balancing oily skin. For individuals dealing with acne or oily skin, the thought of applying oil to the skin may seem counterintuitive. However, castor oil is an exception. Its unique fatty acid profile helps balance the skin's natural oil production, while its antimicrobial properties fight off the bacteria that cause acne. Baking soda enhances the effects of castor oil by helping to unclog pores and gently exfoliate dead skin cells. Together, these two ingredients address multiple causes of acne, including excess oil, clogged pores, and bacteria. This makes the castor oil and baking soda mixture an excellent choice for individuals seeking a natural solution to their acne problems. Unlike many chemical-based acne treatments, which can be harsh and drying to the skin, this remedy is gentle yet effective. It helps reduce oil production, clear clogged pores, and fight bacteria, all without the side effects often associated with conventional acne treatments. To use this remedy for acne, mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply the mixture to problem areas and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. For best results, this treatment can be done 2 to 3 times a week, gradually improving skin clarity and reducing oiliness over time. Number 8. Promoting hair and scalp health for growth and nourishment. Hair thinning, breakage, and scalp issues like dandruff are common as people age. The combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a natural solution for promoting healthier hair growth and addressing scalp conditions. Castor oil is well known for its ability to nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair, and stimulate growth. Its fatty acids penetrate deep into the scalp, providing the necessary nutrients for healthy hair growth. Baking soda complements this by exfoliating the scalp, removing dead skin cells and excess oil that can block hair follicles. This mixture also helps with common scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. The antimicrobial properties of both ingredients help combat the yeast and bacteria that contribute to dandruff, while castor oil's moisturizing qualities soothe and nourish the scalp. To use this remedy for hair and scalp health, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This treatment can be used once a week to promote healthier hair growth, reduce dandruff, and improve scalp health. Number 9. Supporting lymphatic system and detoxification. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health by eliminating waste and toxins from the body. A sluggish lymphatic system can lead to a buildup of toxins, causing fatigue, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. Castor oil has been used for centuries to support the lymphatic system and promote detoxification. When combined with baking soda, which helps maintain the body's pH balance, castor oil can further support the detox process by encouraging lymphatic drainage. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who suffer from chronic inflammation, fatigue, or swelling. To support the lymphatic system, apply the castor oil and baking soda mixture to areas where lymph nodes are concentrated, such as the neck, armpits, or groin. Gently massage the mixture into the skin for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off. Doing this regularly can help stimulate lymphatic drainage, promote detoxification, and improve overall health. Number 10. When to avoid using castor oil and baking soda. Precautions and considerations. While the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers numerous health benefits, there are times when it's best to avoid using this remedy. Individuals with sensitive skin should perform a patch test before applying the mixture to larger areas to ensure no allergic reactions occur. Those with a history of skin allergies or who are prone to irritation should consult a healthcare provider before using this remedy. Additionally, avoid applying the mixture to broken skin or open wounds, as it may cause further irritation. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's essential to consult your doctor before trying any new remedies, including castor oil and baking soda. Internal use of castor oil should always be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it can have strong laxative effects. By following these guidelines and using castor oil and baking soda appropriately, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful natural remedy for a wide range of health issues. Whether you're looking to improve skin health, alleviate joint pain, or support your body's detox processes, this dynamic duo can provide a natural and effective solution. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips.